Hey guys, so let's make arugula simple syrup. You're gonna need like a saucepan, water, sugar, and arugula. And here I'm putting in about a cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. You're gonna see I didn't have a tablespoon, so I'm gonna use half a tablespoon. Put in 4 of that. Pour in about 3/4 of a cup of water, and then you're gonna put it on the stove. Then you're gonna put the simple syrup into the blender, and then pour the arugula inside the blender as well. And then blend it up for about 10 seconds or whenever it gets liquefied. Get a strainer and pour it in. Now here's the thing, guys, the arugula may still kind of get clumped up depending on how fine your strainer is. Mine was pretty fine, so the arugula kept clumping up. So what I did was I had to go empty it out, put it back, go empty it out, put it back, and keep pouring. And basically that's it. That's the arugula simple syrup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like what you're seeing, be sure to subscribe.